Okay, what I've been doing all week is down on my knees in an awkward position in the bathroom back there. What happened is I spent all week, like Monday through Thursday, among other things that I was taking care of to get ready for my trip Saturday, and Thursday's today. I finished it today, and I can't get my camera squared away. And I, several trips to Home Depot and back, and hundreds of dollars later, I finally figured it out. I watched the YouTubers fix their stuff and got some ideas. Made a few of my own ideas. I didn't have the tools. That was the most expensive part about it. The plumbing parts, some were expensive, some weren't. And the glue that you got to do the pipes with, the plumber's glue. And so, without ado, I can either talk all day or I can let you go into the RV repairs that I did in the past 4 days. So let's do that. There we go. Okay, it's Sunday, the 26th of March. I found my water leak in the bathroom sink. You're not going to believe this, but the whole pipe is shattered. I don't know how that happened. I didn't run over anything major. Just, well, let me show you. This is simple. Okay. All right. There it is, right there. This whole thing is just shattered. I can't get it loose. The whole thing has got to be replaced from the line down. Meaning, oh yeah, I got to get a light. By the way, I had 3 flashlights. I can't find one of them. I did find this one. But this whole thing here has got to be replaced, and I don't know how to do that. But I can't use my bathroom sink until it's exactly fixed. I don't think this comes apart. It feels like it does. If I can get that apart, I can get it fixed. But I don't know how to do that unless it just screws on. It's giving it all. Can't budge it. Yeah, but if I can get that done, it looks like it's glued on. Yeah, it looks like it's glued on. Jesus Christ, how are those Barbies like this? How do you work on something like that? I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. Maybe I could take it apart up here. But then again, how do I get the pipe out of there? That's the question. Just pull it out, I guess. Let me see if that'll work. I gotta loosen that. Ain't this fun, Earls? Obviously, there's some water coming out of that. Shoot. Good thing I had a rag handy. I know the piercing luck. The question is, can I finagle this thing out of here? That's the question. Okay. I'm catching him. Oh, sorry. Man. This is rough on the knees, especially the bad one. At least that part's good. And that's glued on. Super, super tight. Can't figure out how to get this thing out of here unless I just cut it out. That's That's a good pipe though. I want to put that up. And dang it. Does that come out? Oh, it's definitely screwed in or nailed in or something. It's like stapled. Let's see those. That way. How did they get it in? This is a head scratcher. Unfortunately, I can't fix it with what I got. I gotta completely dismantle this thing. Find new pipes, I guess. That's my solution. Except for this down here, it's gonna be a bitch because I gotta disassemble that, and it's glued on. Too tight. I can't get it. Yes. Okay. All right. That's a problem I have to figure on. Watch a few YouTubers. Okay. I don't know how that busted like that, but it's a pretty bad break. It had to be something pretty strong falling under something, or just poor workmanship. I can tell you right now, the plumbing is just hashed together, and light out of there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this to the shop and let them look at it. Unfortunately, I'm running up against my deadline. I'm in the middle of doing laundry right now. Here's some luck, I guess. I guess it could be worse. The whole damn electrical system could be out, like it was. I don't even know how they fixed that. Oh yeah, they put in a fuse. Duh. Okay, well, I'll keep you posted on this problem with the sink pipe broken. I guess I could have put a bucket under there if I want to use the sink. Out here. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. As you can see, got me some tools and a fitting. I hope it'll work. If it don't, it don't. But anyway, I'm in the midst of figuring out which way is the best way to get this pipe leveled out. And right now it looks like a, let's see how I got this pipe cutter here, and that didn't work. And I got a saw, and it's sort of kind of working, but it's wearing my ass out. Shut this off for a second. Alright, I think I'm in a better position now. Okay. Get the camera bunkered out. Can't tell if I got that in focus or not, but it's okay. Let's see. Worst one I ever seen. Cut. I mean, it didn't cut from the shit. Anyway, I gotta rest a minute. I'll let's see. Andy's got it. Saw it off. Not really. That was a freaking chore. Man. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm in the process of implementing my plan here. First off, I'm still dealing with this horrific mess under here. Let's get a little light on the subject. Right there is where I got a saw. I've already started the process. I can't find my reciprocal saw, nor one of the 3 flashlights I thought I had on the RV. But I think this is working. I just got to be able to angle the saw. Man. Piece by piece, that's what I'm gonna fucking do. Damn saw ain't worth a shit though, I'll tell you that. It's only PVC, but I spent $70 on a thing. It's a reciprocal saw. Well, that's one way to do it, I suppose. Jeez, very tiring. Oh man, let's see if I get a better angle on it there. Okay. All right. What is going on with the saw? Time for the happy dance. Oh wait, this is only part of it. Got these now this is the monster I gotta deal with right here. I need a reamer is what I need. This is so awkward. Can't get a bite on it. Adjusting the pipe cutter, ratcheted pipe cutter, maybe that's a technical term. Man, I ain't no room in here at all. Let's see if I can nip it off. And sort of kind of gotta, I did it. It wasn't on there very well anyway. Well, the whole thing is broken. Shit. I did not want to do that. this is a whole new problem now. I don't know though. This might still work. Trouble is, I don't have any room to screw the thing down with. Man, I'm not liking this. Let's put this up before I cut my hand off. Yeah, do my yoga. I'm messing with the screwdriver right now, trying to figure out how this thing is going to go in there. That'd help if I hit the screw head right. Okay, is it loose enough for fingers? Well, get rid of this label. Oh man, not looking forward to this. Let's see here. This made in shit Chinese stuff is just horrible. I don't know if this is going to work now. This is chipped off right there. Let's see how far I can get this thing out. Now, fucking piece of shit. Okay. Oh boy. Come on. Turn, damn it. Man. Yeah. This thing is loose, but it's tight, if you know what I'm saying. I gotta go all the way to the bone. Shoot. I think I got a system now. My screwdriver will stay in the slot. I don't know why they created Phillips heads now. I don't know why this isn't a Phillips head. Okay, I got it down far enough. Let's see if I can slip it over there. Let's see. Maybe I'll get it wet. Oh my. I just can't get over this. There you go. Wet my finger. Get a little soapy in there. If I can get it all the way down, I should be able to salvage this thing somehow. Otherwise, I got to cut the pipe off and get all new parts. I don't think that's going to be cheap. Inexpensive, maybe, but not cheap. Oh, damn! I hate having a back and bad knee. I'll pay somebody $300 right now to do this. There's not enough give in it. Can't really see either. If I put this in here like that. Well, that's not going to work either. You know what? I'm batting 1,000. Just about everything I've tried is sucky. This stuff all over me. I'll get the vacuum in here. I need shop shafts if I need. Crap. Okay. Alright, I think my soap is dried up. I guess I could put that on later. went on all the way to the bone. That's a good sign. Now if I could just get the thing tightened. Okay. All right. I'll leave Mr. Light right there. Don't do this at home. Oh wait, you have to do it at home. Oh, you scrawny little son of a bitch. Guess I'll open you up all the way. Alright. I didn't know this was going to be a bear just to get the damn thing lined up. You gotta do what you gotta do. Well, who says that? Let's see if I can get it on now. Okay. It went on a lot further that time. It's almost there. And it is. Good. This is where the fun part comes in. Maybe I ought to get a wrench. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, I don't know if I recorded that or not, but I'll say it again just in case I didn't. I can always edit it out, the part that, you know, oops. Get my camera adjusted here. All right. Yeah, I got the hole widened with that rinky ass saw. Got enough room in there to get my hands in there, and I actually was able to put the grommet on, the cup, whatever you want to call it, that joins the two pipes together. And I started to tighten it down, and I realized the screwdriver that I have is just not staying in the slot. It keeps popping out, so I got to get a wrench on it. I got a small set socket that'll fit it. I think it's this size right here, actually. Yeah, I think this is the size right here. I think this is a millimeter. I can't read it. I guess because it's upside down. Okay. Yeah, this is I still can't read it. Go figure. Huh. It's a number 3 millimeter. So I don't know if that'll work or not. But I'm halfway there. I will estimate halfway. I mean, tomorrow it might take me 4 hours just to get the rest of the way in. my luck. I got surgery in the morning, so I'm not taking the kids to school. I'll be up to Sarah to do that. And then Friday I have an appointment with my lawyer, and I'll get that done. But in the meantime, I may just stop filming what I'm doing and just show you the results afterwards, assuming I get it fixed. Because that space is so small and I can't really get a good camera angle on what I'm going to be doing. So I'll show you when I get it done and cease filming it, because pretty much straightforward stuff there. You can't really see half of what I'm doing anyway. So anyway, I find the button. Where's the button? Oh shoot. Dang it. Okay. Okay, I'm in my 3rd day of repairing my sink drain, and I thought I had it all put together. I do. It's just that right back in here I didn't get it tight enough and it started leaking. So I tightened it down and it's still leaking. So I'm not sure if I got to take this apart or not. I'm not going to do it today because I'm just pissed off. I mean, it's pretty, you know, I spilled this stuff all over the place. First off, I got it off the floor, luckily. And yep, that's pretty tight. This works beautifully except for the leak. So that's where I'm at. It's almost all done. Kind of embarrassed about the spilling of the blue cement there, but it's all together up here too. Just exhausted. Now tomorrow is another school day, so I didn't take them today because I had a little owie I had to take care of. Had a little knot that was there for years and years, and finally got to where it was bugging me so much I just went to the dermatologist, and she recommended me to a plastic surgeon. It took him about an hour and a half to fix it, but I got to leave that tape on there for 2 weeks. I didn't film it, although the doctor said if I'd have brought a camera he'd have let me film it, but that's my personal business. When you're at the doctor, you know. I've seen some people do it, and the Winds did it. You know, the Gone with the Winds fame. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Right now, I'm just pissed off, so I'm gonna drink some bourbon, relax, watch TV, get ready for dinner, and then with the button.
And whatever it was, the dog was very agitated and the woman seemed very scared. This next video went viral in 2012 and it was captured by a farmer in Iceland. I believe the video speaks for itself. I've never seen anything like this before, and if I did, I believe I would run. But the thing is, experts came to the conclusion that this was a giant worm, but the video has never been completely debunked. In your opinion, what is this, and have you ever seen anything like this before? Have you ever been in the woods and encountered something strange? It's the case with this group of bikers. They were riding a known trail in Indonesia when they suddenly crossed paths with this mysterious creature. Now, experts say that this might actually be a member of some tribes nearby, but I'm not too sure. The creature is too small to be human and very quick. Leave a comment if you have any idea what this could be, this mythological creature.
Alright, good news. I have achieved something I never thought I would in the past 3 days, which is fixing my sink drain. I had to do a little modification here and there, but oh, what the hey. Because look, I mean, there it is. And there's no leaks anywhere. I had to modify this right here. Let me show you. Flashlight. Headlight, I should say. And I had to modify this by getting it bigger because the fittings down here I had to cut off. Put new ones on, so that's kind of what it looks like. So tricky to see, but that's what I did. I'm no plumber, but whoa. I bought a couple long parts. Tell you the truth, I'm going to keep them because you know it never hurts to have spare parts. So, the moral of the story is, if you can't do it yourself, hire somebody. And unfortunately I was able to do this. It took me 3 days of studying YouTube and keep cutting my head off. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Yeah, so Matthew, if you're looking at this, I did fix it. It took me 3 days to figure it out. And about $160, but you know, most of that stuff I didn't need. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I also got me a new dresser. Didn't want one of those. All my clothes are in it, and of course you stuff them to the gills. That solved that problem. And I got a new corner stand for my pictures, neaten up the place a little bit. I don't know how that's going to ride when I move, but probably should take it down just to be on the safe side. Anyway, here's all the money I used to have. And I think it's time for lunch. Still in recording, you know? Yeah.